Busai Dreamfalls. 80p each, entrance fee. Let's go and see what this is all about. Okay, yes, I probably wouldn't want to swim in this waterfall. It looks pretty bloody dangerous. Look at the water. Look at the rapids. But apparently they've got accommodation and everything else here as well. And there's people swimming down the bottom with their life jackets on. I'm probably not going to swim here. Just the accommodation. Got all the huts up the top. This is obviously the eating area. There's a lot of people here. Once again, it's still the school holidays, so there's a lot of people at these places. It's almost like a little fiesta thing going on over here. Oh. So it's pretty swift. This is still Lombok River. All sorts of water activities that you can do. Beautiful karaoke going on over here. So obviously we've got all the life jackets and stuff for hire. And you definitely need the life jackets because it's pretty swift. Got the like banana boat thing over here that you can hire out. Hey! Awesome river. I don't know where they still are. Oh, they're up there somewhere. But you certainly wouldn't want to be swimming way out there. Looks like it'll be pretty dangerous. But beautiful river, awesome place. Looks like everybody's having a lot of fun down here. Hello. But this is how they do it in the Philippines, guys. There's just people everywhere, there's food everywhere, there's parties, there's fiestas. Everybody's having a whole lot of fun.